Good morning, students. Let's start new chapter in English grammar, that is chapter 12, verbs. What is verb? A verb is a word which describes the action in a sentence, means doing words. Verb क्या है? ये वो words होते हैं जो sentence में जो भी work हो रहा है उसे describe करते हैं. For examples, I play football. नाउ यहाँ पर जो आई है वो क्या कर रहा है, प्ले कर रहा है, सो द प्ले वर्ड इज वर्ब. सेकेंड, दे स्किप क्विकली, सो स्किप इज अ वर्ब. वी ईट स्पैगेटी, सो हियर ईट इज अ वर्ब. बॉब इज 7 टुडे. नाउ इन दिस सेंटेंस is a verb. Verbs tell us what a person, an animal or a thing does. Verbs can be understood in three ways. Let's understand these ways. First, verbs that denote being. Being verbs express no action but link the subject to a quality, condition or identity. Means being verbs कौन सी होती है? ये किसी action को नहीं बताती हैं but ये subject के साथ linked होती है जो कि उसकी quality, condition या identity बताती है. Read the sentence. She is a doctor. She was a student 5 years ago. Bracket में दे रखा है denotes being. Now in this sentence, the words is and was are not actions but they are verbs. Means इस sentence में जो is और was word दे रखे हैं ये किसी action को नहीं बता रहे हैं. अभी जस्ट हमने क्या पढ़ा था कि verb क्या होते हैं? जो भी डूइंग वर्ड्स है, जो भी एक्शन वर्ड्स है उन्हें हम वर्ब कहते हैं. बट यहाँ पर जो इज और वॉज है ये किसी एक्शन को नहीं शो कर रहे हैं. दे टेल अस व्हाट अ पर्सन और थिंग इज. सो दीज आर द वर्ब्स दैट डिनोट बीइंग. सम अदर एग्जांपल्स ऑफ सच वर्ब्स आर इज, आर, एम, वॉज, वर, विल, शैल. सेकेंड, वर्ब्स दैट डिनोट एक्शन. वो वर्ब्स जो एक्शंस को शो करते हैं. एग्जाम्पल, he works hard but he sleeps a lot. Now in this sentence the words like works and sleeps denote actions. ये क्या बता रहे हैं? एक्शन बता रहे हैं. यानी वर्क क्या कर रहा है, जो सब्जेक्ट है he वो क्या कर रहा है. These doing words are called main verbs. इस टाइप की verbs को main verbs बोला जाता है. Verbs that denote possession. Possession क्या होता है? जिसमें कोई ownership या possession show करते हैं. Like he had a red car last year. Now he has a new blue sedan. Now in this sentence the word had and has are not doing words but they tell us about belonging. अब यहाँ पर जो had और has words हैं ये किसी एक्शन को शो नहीं कर रहे हैं, कोई डूइंग वर्ड नहीं है, बट ये यहाँ पर क्या शो कर रहे हैं? बिलोंगिंगनेस. द वर्ब्स दैट डिनोट बिलोंगिंग्स आर हैज, हैव, हैड. नेक्स्ट, हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स. Helping verbs are the verbs that help the main verb in a sentence. Helping verbs क्या होती हैं? ये वो verbs होती हैं जो sentence में main verb को help करती हैं. For example, he has not finished his homework. Now यहाँ पर जो main verb है वो है finished and इससे जो help कर रही है verb that is has, so it's a helping verb. Some of the helping verbs are do, does, did, has, have, and is, rm, was, were also act as a helping verb. Now the verbs like is, rm, was, were, will, shall, has, have, had are used to tell about the actions happening at a time. Is, rm, has, have, do, does. These verbs are used to tell about an action that takes place in the present, and the verbs like was, were, had, did used to tell about an action that took place in the past. And the verbs like will, shall are used to tell about an action that will take place in the future. So this is all about verbs. Let's do book exercises. Exercise A, write P in the blanks if the verb denotes position, B if it denotes being, and A if it denotes action. Now in this exercise some sentences are given. We need to identify कि ये sentences position के हैं, being के हैं या फिर action को denote कर रहे हैं. And इनके लिए हमें letters दे रखे हैं, P for position, B for being and A for action. First, he is a good singer. यहाँ पर जो verb है is जो कि denote कर रही है being को, so ये being का sentence है, we will write be for this sentence. Second, I eat fruits daily. Now यहाँ पर जो I है वो eat कर रहा है fruit means वो action show कर रहा है. So this sentence denotes an action. So यहाँ पर A आएगा. Third, she is an intelligent person. Again in this sentence is given जो कि she की क्वालिटी को बता रहा है, तो ये being को denotes कर रहा है. So we will write be here. Next, I will buy a car next month. Here the verb will that denotes being, so we will write be here. Rest you will do on your own. Next, exercise B, underline the verbs in the following sentences. Now in this exercise some sentences are given. We need to read the sentence and underline the verbs. First, baby cries all day. Now in this sentence cries is a verb, so underline the word cries. Second, he will have a new phone by tomorrow. Now here will and have both are the verbs, so underline the word will and have. Next, he fights for his rights. Now here fights is a verb, so underline the word fight. Next, she is a beautiful woman. Now in this sentence is a verb, so underline the word is. Rest you will do on your own. Next, exercise C. A nursery rhyme is given below. Find the verbs and underline them. Now यहाँ पर एक nursery rhyme दे रखी है जो हम सब ने सुनी ही है. So इस rhyme में हमें verbs को identify करना है and underline करना है. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. Now in this line, buckle is a verb, so underline the word buckle. 3, 4, shut the door. Underline the word shut. 5, 6, pick up sticks. Pick is a verb, so underline the word pick. 7, 8, lay them straight. Now in this line, lay is a verb, so underline the word lay. 9, 10, a big fat hand. In this line, there is no verb. Next, 11, 12, dig and delve. In this line, dig and delve are the verbs, so underline the words dig and delve. Dig and delve means to inquire or research deeply. Students, kindly complete these exercises in book only. Thank you.